Good Sunday morning, family. This is Nettie, Simply Me Journey with Family. I decided to give the little Husqvarna a little cleanup job. So we are going to be spraying this here in different places, getting some of the grease out. Yeah, that looks pretty nasty. One of my bulbs are down. I'll fix that. Let's let this just sit and saturate for a little bit, for a while, before I kind of lightly spray it with the look at there. She haven't been cleaned up well. Haven't been cleaned at all. Matter of fact, in a while. So I'm going to just clean her up. I'm clean up. I want her to feel good about herself. Yeah, this is bad. This is super, super bad. This is super bad. And I have been doing this all summer. Running it all summer long. And it's just time for a cleanup job. It's just time. I'm out here. I am washing my car. My tires was just in bad shape because of the mud. I just can't believe I let this thing look like this here. I have got to be kidding myself. I know it's an outside thing, but you're still supposed to keep it up. Look at that. Sad. Let's just go ahead and clean the tires a little bit. Spray the tires with some of this here simple green. Just kind of help loosen up some of the dirt. I have to take my hose, my water hose, and pretty much do a good pressure wash. This is bad. This is truly bad. I'm not going to let this thing get like this again. When I get done and clean it up nice and good, I'm going to spray it with some simple green, some bug spray, because I experienced a whole lot of what's some spiders, a lot of spiders. Where's my hose? Oh, this is my hose. Let's put some water in the bucket. Got a stick. I'm gonna get my little stick and move that other dirt that's trapped, that's not coming out. I got a stick. I can move all of that. Yeah, all that trapped stuff in there. Yeah, I can move that in my hand with a stick. But I'm gonna still wipe it down. I'm gonna wipe it down with a cloth Look at this. And that simple green kind of breaking up the dirt pretty good. Yeah, family. All right, this is Nettie's Symphony Journey. Just kind of letting you all see that it's time for the Husqvarna to get cleaned up. So we're going to take care of her right now. And I will talk to you guys. Y'all be blessed. Hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And y'all take care. Bye-bye.